are you doing?
Back to what I was doing. Okay. What? Can we just open the fridge and start like, wait.
Yeah.
Now, since that's so loud. No, I'm joking.
Just play.
Now, we're gonna open the lid.
Hold it.
Shh. Shh. For now, take your cup. Just like I guess, just stick in there. Just like how I did.
I don't know.
Now that you've done that, shake it really hard.
Okay.
Now you take the cup. Sorry about the inconvenience. Take
Shut the door.
Now you take your hand. You reach in. And you grab. A turkey. What she have all of your fruit? Ah, she has a really sticky. Okay, what she have? A vitamin water, some ice cream, some Salamigos, a big turkey, some beef, some ground up beef, and some old ass smoothies. So let's go. Now, let's see what she has in her refrigerator. She has some eggs. Oh, some tomato ketchup. Some Pepsi that looks like, I don't know how long it's been in there. Wait for it, wait for it. An egg that is cracked. And some bologna. Yum. Oh my gosh. And this is my favorite. White chocolate mocha. And last but not least, oranges. Jam. Shut up. And that's it for all today. And this is what she has in her refrigerator.